Ever wondered what that marker pen on your desk has in common with the gas in your car? The answer is more fascinating than you might think. It all starts deep beneath the Earth's surface in vast, dark reservoirs of crude oil. This thick, black liquid, a remnant of ancient life, is the unlikely origin story of your favorite drawing tool. Powerful pumps bring this raw material to the surface, where it begins an epic journey through a sprawling network of pipes. Its destination? A massive, complex oil refinery, a city of steel and fire that hums with energy day and night. Here, in the heart of these industrial giants, the real transformation begins. Inside towering distillation columns, the crude oil is heated to extreme temperatures. This process, called fractional distillation, is like a highly sophisticated sorting system. The intense heat causes the crude oil to vaporize, and as the vapor rises, it cools and separates into different components or fractions based on their boiling points. We get everything from heavy asphalt to lighter fuels like gasoline and kerosene. But for our marker ink, we need to go even deeper into the world of chemistry. Specific fractions from the refinery are sent to a laboratory. Here, scientists and chemists work their magic, initiating complex chemical reactions. They break down long hydrocarbon chains and reform them into brand new substances. This is where the core ingredients of our ink are born: synthetic polymers, resins, and powerful solvents. The deep black color? That comes from a pigment called carbon black, which is also derived from the incomplete combustion of these same hydrocarbons. It's a process of deconstruction and masterful reconstruction. Finally, all these precisely engineered components, the pigment for color, the resin to help it stick to the paper, and the solvent to keep it all in a liquid state, are meticulously blended together. The result is a rich, flowing, consistent ink. We see this vibrant black liquid being carefully injected into the absorbent core of a marker pen, ready to be used. So, the next time you uncap a marker and draw a bold, crisp line, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took. From ancient organic matter buried miles underground, through a fiery industrial process, and into the hands of chemists, all to create that simple, indispensable tool you hold in your hand. It's a perfect example of modern science turning a raw natural resource into an everyday marvel. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey as amazing as I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to From Raw to Ready Lab for more deep dives into the world around us. See you next time.